master guidebook page. Then you can easy to find the answers. Okay. Master guidebook page 11. Now we are discussing. Okay. Now tell me answers. I will ask from you children. One by one I will ask from you. First answer, tell me Tinugi. She is our leader in the class. Okay. Tinugi is a grade 3 class. Who is the leader, children? Do you like Tinugi? She is the leader. Okay. Hands up, Tinugi. She is our leader. She is in grade 2. Sinali and Dinadi also in grade 2. But Isat in grade 3. Oya tamai ayya me class ekin. Okay, Isat? You are the elder brother in the class. Okay. Now tell me our leader, Tinugi, number 1. Can you read number 1, Tinugi? What is that? What want
Hello. Hello. This is my friend Saki.
Yes, yes. This is my friend Saki.
Hello. This is my friend Ramina.
Is that correct, Tinugi?
Meenu.
Yes. Okay. Here, children, write the second one, Meenu. And third one, Netu. Now, okay. Now, okay, Tinugi? Yes. Now, tell me last one. Last one, children. You have to draw you and your friend. Can you draw your face? Your face and your friend's face. Can you draw now? Yes, Tinugi. Very beautiful. Then you have to say, this is my friend's name. You should write. This is my friend. You can write your friend name. Okay. I'm not writing. I'm putting dots, some dots. You can write your friend's name. This is my friend Tinugi. This is my friend Sinali. This is my friend Dinadi. This is my friend Isat. Like that, you can write your friend's name. But have to draw your face and your friend's face. Face only. W-H-A-T. That is the correct answer. What? Third one. Where? W-H-E-R-E. Number 4. Grade. G-R. First letter should be capital. G-R-A-A-D. E. G-R-A-D-E. Number 5. Live. These are the answers, children. But I will tell how to write. I will teach you. Second part. Isat, this is the second part. Then we complete page 11. Now we can, yes, then after mark your book, write and mark your book. Then after we can do activity 2. Okay, take your writing book and write. Activity 2. First you complete master guide book. Then after bring your activity book, writing book. Children, still writing.
Teacher,
okay. Yes.
I have blue pen.
You have a blue pen. Okay. Now you are writing with the pen or marking book? Yes. Yes, you can mark. Mark your book, Tinugi. Then after you should write activity 2, children. Finish?
Teacher not have a red pen.
Okay. You can use blue pen. Finish, children? Still writing? Now shall we write activity 2? Question is find and write. Find and write. Here children, example, I will give one example, then you can understand how to do. This is the example, EX. You also write that, EX. TAC. Is that correct word, children? TAC? No. Then tell me what is the correct word. Can you find now? Now you have to find. Think and find. Tinugi, can you tell me? Yes, Tinugi, tell me.
Cat.
Very good, very good. TAC is not a correct word, but CAT is a correct word. Ah, like that. Can you find now? These are the easy words to find. අර තිබ්බේ ගොඩක් අමාරු ඒවනේ, difficult words to find. Now, but I will give now easy words to find. But parents, sisters, and please don't help your children, okay? Nangi and Mali, don't help. Jenudi also, don't help your Mali. Tedasi also. Simple letters. But you write, first letter should be capital. I wrote all simple letters, okay? G, D, O. Is that correct word? G, D, O? You have to find. Okay, don't tell the answer. The easy words I will give. Only three words, three letter words I will give. Only 6 words, okay? Now can try to find. Think and find. Hitanna, hoyan. Okay, you have to think and find. Don't ask from your parents. අම්මලගෙන් අහලා ලියන්න එපා. එහෙම ලියලා වැඩක් නැහැ. I will give time to find. වෙලාව දෙන්නම්. Here children, this equal want to keep in same line. Please keep the equal mark. සමාන ලකුණ එක කෙලින් දාගෙන යන්න. Equal mark, this mark. Then I will draw the blanks. You have to write the correct answer. Use the ruler and draw blanks like this. This is your activity 2. Now can you find? Tinugi, can you find?
Can teacher.
Yes, yes, very good. Dinadi, can you find the words? Dinadi?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Sinali, can you find? They are in grade 2. Can you find Sinali? All girls in grade 2.
Teacher.
Yes, very good. And our boy, one and only boy, can you find these words? Can you find Putta?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Then try to find easy words. You can find easily and write the word correctly. And first letter should be capital. Teacher wrote all simple letters.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Ah, excellent. Very good. Others still writing. Okay, okay. Tinugi wait. Others will write soon.
Teachers.
But they are Janadi. In the spoken class, you can put Janudi and Isat. Both names. Okay. Please type. Okay. Then,
Want to mark?
no. Don't mark. Wait. If we are, when we are discussing, you can mark Tinugi.
Okay, teacher.
Then, Tinugi, what is the essay today? Grandmother is the correct. Is that correct? Did you read that
Yes,
essay?
teacher.
Okay. Then want to read today grandmother. Who's Isat? Do you know the essay, Puta? Did you write?
Teacher.
Here see. Show your book paper. Here, Isat. Pute, look at that Tinugi's essay. Look at that. Tinugi, screen. Like that. Show. That is the essay. I will send you now. Wait. Teacher, ඔක්කොම එවලා තිබුණේ ඔයාට. ඔයා බලලා නැති වුණාට. I will send again.
Teacher, write also.
Yes, yes. Then you can read today.
Okay, teacher.
So you have to read the essay. Here, Dinadi's book here. Who see? Isat, look at that Dinadi's book. She has a beautiful handwriting, just like a sister. Yes, thank you, Dinadi. Now finish this activity too. Dinadi, did you complete this one? Activity 2.
Yes, no, teacher.
Discuss. Sinali, are you finished? Still writing?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now tell me, I will ask one by one. Who's Isat Pute? I sent to you that essay. Tell your mother to show. I sent to you. Okay. Now tell me first word. What is the first word? I will ask from that Ayya. Isat, tell me. What is the first word?
Dog.
Yes. That is the word. Can you spell the word? How to write dog? Spell the word, Puta.
O-G.
I asked from Isat. Don't tell others. Wait. One by one, I will ask. Isat, tell me, what is the first answer?
D-O-G.
Yes, yes. D-O-G, dog. Spell the word. Read the word also.
G. Dog. Dog.
Yes, yes. You have to read. Practice how to read. D-O-G, dog. Like that, you have to read. Yes, thank you, Isat. Now, next one, tell me. Dinadi. She also new to the class. Dinadi, tell me, what is the next one? T-A-N. Is that correct word? Yes or no?
Yes,
Dinadi.
teacher.
Is that correct word? T-A-N?
10.
Then tell me what is the correct word?
10.
10? No, E is not there. 10 is not a correct word.
Ant.
Yes. Put on Janadi. 10 minutes. Ah, yes, yes. Good. Can you spell the word, Isat?
A-N-T.
Yes, you are correct. Very good. Dinadi, 10 is not a correct word. Ant is the correct word. A-N-T. Okay. Now, next one, tell me. Our grade 2 girl, Sinali. Sinali, tell me. What is the third one? What is the correct word, Sinali? Ah, okay. What is the correct word? H. H-E-N is the correct word. Okay, now next one.
H-E-N.
Yes, hen. Now next one, tell me our leader. Yes. Is that correct word? I-G-P?
P-I-G.
What is the word?
Pig.
Yes, P-I-G, pig. Like that you have to read. Number 5, read Isat.
Fish.
Spell the word and read the word. Spell and
A-F-I-S-H.
can you
Fish.
can you read again? Spell again.
Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish.
Fish. Fish, Putta. Okay. Pronounce the word correctly. Fish. Say it again.
Fish. Fish.
Fish. Okay. Yes. Last one, tell me. Sinali. No, wait, not Sinali. Dinadi. Dinadi, tell me last one. Can you tell me, Dinadi? Are you there? She is not there. Then Sinali, tell me. Sinali.
Duck.
Spell the word.
D-U-C-K.
Yes, very good. D-U-C-K. Duck. Now you can mark your book. Now mark your book. Then now we can read your essay. Take your essay writing book now.